when you are seeking justice, sometimes remember that even in the interest of justice, there will be a certain latitude, because what you want to remove from the minds of any individual is any scintilla, if any, of a doubt that people will still have. In 2013, if you recall, the matter was hinged on examples of pink sheets. At the time, there were no errors in any declarations, at least that was not made out in the matter that was before court at the time. In the aftermath, various reforms have taken place leading up to the passing of a new constitutional instrument to guide the process of election petitions in terms of timelines, in terms of who can petition the court, in terms of what you can even do within that special jurisdiction of the apex court.
Okay.
I have no doubt in my mind that the petitioner, through his lawyers, have put up a fantastic petition. They have set out facts as they have them and as they know them. They have also questioned the status quo in the way that nobody has ever done. Okay. And that if in future a returning officer were to make these amendments, corrections to their own numbers, they would at least think about the need for the persons who will be most affected by their decisions to be present, to understand and appreciate. In any case, what is the data that you base these errors on? What informed the said corrections? And how were these corrections done? How did you even find out that there were these errors?
And those are some of the questions
absolutely.
You would have wanted to
ask. And that is it. And I would personally, if I were a returning officer, I would feel the need to defend my stewardship in the eyes of the good people of Ghana, irrespective of whether or not a witness can be compelled or not. And on this occasion, and let me state for the record, that John Mahama's petition is actually because we want citizens of Ghana to accept the fact that constitutional officers owe a duty of care to the people whose taxes keep them in the offices. That even if today the law protects Madame Jean Mensah and allows her to exercise her right not to give evidence, I'm sure next time she tries to declare results and make amendments or corrections, she will certainly think about it. And if you and I know Mr. Chachichukata, he is not one to succumb to theatricals or succumb to the machinations of others. He believes in the law and has always done so. He is actually an epitome of the law. And he wants justice, not just for his petitioner, but justice also for all the persons who voted